Hi guys, it's Jennifer. Welcome back to my Flagstaff home. Today I'm going to be organizing my master bathroom closet, and I'd love to show you how I did it. So please come along and be sure to subscribe. So my master bathroom closet was really nicely organized when I first moved into this house, and I had used these photo boxes, just they're kind of cardboard boxes, and had everything in categories in my master bathroom closet. I don't put linens in there. I keep the linens in the rooms where the linens are needed, but I had a variety of things in this closet. And it ended up getting really messy because we fostered a baby, and when you do that, they require that anything potentially toxic is behind locked doors. And so we took stuff from all over the house, that like bleach and laundry detergent and all kinds of stuff like that, and put everything in this master bedroom closet and put a lock on the door. And then it just, it was full of stuff, and for a year, we just did not have this thing organized. So now we no longer have the baby in our home, and I'm looking at this closet and thinking it's kind of turned into a bit of a disaster. And what I find is that when you don't have things in categories, you tend to just kind of throw stuff in. I do. And so that kind of all got messed up. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what the master closet looked like at the beginning of this thing. Okay guys, this is super embarrassing, but we have paper products down below, and as you can see there's some chemicals. Then these were the shelves right here that were organized neatly. You can see the boxes that I had, and everything was categorized, cold and flu stuff and extra beauty products, and then everything, I told you about that. So anyway, we need to purge things, we need to look at expiration dates, we need to get everything organized. And then up here, I need to straighten this up here, but this is travel stuff. So when we go on a trip, you can see I've got like makeup bags for travel. I have certain things like up here on the top. Those are for when we go on a cruise, different things that we take with us. And then like those beach towels and stuff, I just need to fold them up and put them nicely on there. But yeah, this is super embarrassing to show you. All right, so I picked up a few things. Now I used some of those photo boxes that you saw in the video. I did reuse some of those, and then I bought these really cool acrylic cubes with drawers on them. They're not super huge. They're probably only about this deep and maybe this wide, this tall. And so, but I was able to get enough so I could stack them and take advantage of the space, not just on each shelf, but make almost like another shelf on top of it. And I did put things into categories. When I very first started to organize the closet, I thought, oh gosh, I'm gonna have to order more of these because, I'm gonna need more. But as it turned out, taller items like extra bottles of shampoo and conditioner or hairspray, or really a lot of different things, would be too tall for these acrylic cubes that I bought. And so I'm going to show you how I did this. And also, just to let you know, I put a link in the space below for the acrylic cubes that I bought on Amazon. They come in a set of 2 for $24.99 or something like that for every 2 boxes. So let me go ahead and show you how this thing turned out. Okay, look at this. I got this all organized. This is all, look at how many more of these I could have put on these shelves, but I'll tell you why I actually don't need to get more. I categorized everything. I have some cough and cold medication here, and stomach issues stuff, and allergies, and some of my prescription medications and supplements and extras of that. We have pain relievers here, some nasal sprays, and some different things. My multivitamins would not fit in one of those. It was just a little too tall. Then John's prescriptions here and some extras that he had. I need to find out if he even needs to keep those. The rest of these things, you know, these little containers here, they're not that high. And so a lot of these other things would never fit. So I categorized everything. So here I have some beauty products, face masks and cleansing scrubber things and stuff like that. This is all dental stuff, extra toothpaste, floss, all of that kind of stuff, toothbrushes. What's that? That all has to do with fitness. It's like stuff for muscles and junk like that. That's some extra beauty stuff and their hair and face. And this has some oils and tanning things, more like sunscreen kind of things. And that's just random. So yeah, I don't think I actually need to buy anymore. And I love that, especially on this shelf, everything is organized and it uses that entire space. And that is what I'm throwing away. That is all the stuff that I found that was just stuff that I forgot I had and I don't want anymore, or expirations had passed, like way past. And so it feels really good to clean that out. So yeah, these things I will link in the space below. Now, let me just show you something though about them, because they're not that deep. I'll put it in the measurements for you, but there's a lot of space you can see back there behind these things. So I could store stuff if I was, you know, not worried about forgetting about it. That stuff behind there, but these aren't that deep. And they're not terribly tall, but tall enough to fit, you know, a tall pill bottle. And so I would go over your measurements before you run out and purchase these. A set of 2 was $25. So I will put the exact price for you in the space below there too, and a link over to Amazon where I got these. But this was just the inspiration I needed to get this closet all organized. All right, I feel so great about this, and my husband loves it too. The next thing I'm going to be doing that I have not quite done yet is put labels on each of those drawers. I have not done the labels yet because I'm kind of waiting to make sure that everything is categorized the right way, and then I'm going to go ahead and put labels on each of those drawers. But it's just so nice when you have things so that if you get out a bottle of Tylenol, you know exactly which container to put it back in when you're finished, and everyone in your family will know the same thing, and then you'll have a better chance of keeping the area organized over the long term. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and remember, there is a link to those acrylic cubes in the space below. If you are interested in other videos about all things home related, organizing, gardening, cooking, crafting, I'd love to have you come along with me on My Flagstaff Home. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and YouTube will let you know when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye-bye.